Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. In this underwater painting, we'll paint a clownfish couple swimming through glowing grass and gentle bubbles, perfect for beginners wanting to explore sea life with vibrant color and charm. Here are the materials you'll need for this tutorial. Pause here to gather your supplies and return when you're ready. The full materials list is also available in the video description below. Let's begin by building our underwater background. Squeeze out a few drops of sky blue, cobalt blue, and cerulean blue directly onto the canvas. Use your wet flat brush to spread and blend these shades in long, horizontal strokes, working from bottom to top. Keep your transitions smooth to suggest depth and water flow. Take your time with this step, allowing the colors to merge naturally while leaving subtle variations in tone to add depth. Now let's bring the underwater environment to life. Load a small round brush with viridian, sky blue, and light green to create strands of underwater grass. Use curved, upward strokes to mimic how plants sway gently in the sea. Time to paint our first clownfish. Using a small flat brush and orange acrylic paint, form an oval body with a rounded head, small mouth, and wide tail fin. Fill in the shape with a solid orange base. Repeat the process for a second, slightly smaller clownfish swimming nearby. Once the orange base is dry, use a detailing brush and titanium white to add 3 soft-edged white bands. One behind the head, one in the middle, and one near the tail. Repeat the process for a second, slightly smaller clownfish swimming nearby. Take your time with this step. Use a liner brush to outline each band with thin black lines for crisp contrast. Paint the fin tips and outer edges, including the dorsal, side, and tail fins, with black paint. For realism, soften the lines and keep your hand light. Now add the eye, a small black oval with a thick white highlight dot to bring it to life. Add more orange and yellow in the body and fins to enhance brightness and warmth. Repeat this process for the second clownfish, keeping their positions natural and slightly offset to suggest movement. Take your time with this step. Now add more underwater grass behind and between the fish using sky blue and sap green for variety and depth. Keep your wrist loose and let the lines flow. Finally, with a liner brush, dot a few small white bubbles near the mouth of one fish for a whimsical finishing touch. Take your time and enjoy adding these final details. And there you have it, your own charming underwater scene featuring a playful clownfish couple. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe for more relaxing painting sessions. Want to keep growing as an artist? We offer a free beginner course and an affordable premium course to help you explore creativity with ease. Learn more anytime at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thanks for painting with us today.